Practice set 3.3, problem number 8, page number 73. Another good example. Now, you have to find out 4 consecutive terms of an AP. In the previous example, we found 3. If fourth is asked, you have to add one more to the previous 3 only. So, in the previous example, we took 3 terms as A minus D, A plus D. लेकिन अगर चौथी भी चाहिए कंसेक्यूटिव टर्म तो इसमें भी डी ऐड करेंगे, दैट इज a plus 2d. This has been given as a hint in the problem, but we always tell the children that you should know in advance that 4 terms have to be taken this way. Okay, a minus d, a plus d and a plus 2d are the required 4 consecutive terms of an AP. We have written, okay, suppose required 4 consecutive terms of an AP are these 4. Now the problem says their sum is 12. So first term plus second plus third plus fourth term, their sum is 12. Plus d and minus d, they cancel each other. What do you get? A plus a plus a plus a, that is 4a plus 2d is equal to 12. Divide both sides by 2. So here if you divide by 2, you get 2a. Here if you divide by 2, 2 cancels. 12 by 2 will be equal to 6. So you are getting 2a plus d is equal to 6. That is equation number 1. Now according to the second condition, third term plus fourth term, their sum is 14. This is also given. Let me write given here. So which is the third term? A plus d. So in place of third term we are writing a plus d. Which is the fourth term? Fourth term is a plus 2d. So we are writing a plus 2d is equal to 14. Now the next step is a bit tricky, and I would suggest that the children should memorize this. How to write this? What I am doing, this a I am adding to this a, and that gives you 2a. Then I could have easily added d and 2d. I could have written that as 3d, but I did not do that. I kept d and 2d as they are. With what intention? After keeping this d as it is and 2d as it is, only adding a and a, you get 2a plus d, and we have already kept ready the value of 2a plus d. So we will put this value directly here. That gives you the value of 2d. Okay, so this 2a plus 2d, which is equal to 6, I am putting it here, and therefore the equation becomes 6 plus 2d is equal to 14. Transfer 6 to the other side. 14 minus 6 will be 8. These calculations are very ordinary. You can write these calculations directly also. So 2d is equal to 8, and therefore d comes out to be 4. Put this value of d equal to 4 in this equation. So we are writing, therefore from 1 you get 2a plus 4 equal to 6. That is 2a is equal to 2, a is equal to 1. Once you get the values of a and d, just put them in these 4 places and you will get the required 4 terms. And I did the same thing. Required 4 consecutive terms of an AP are a minus d, a plus d and a plus 2d. Put the values of a and d which you have already calculated, and you get the required 4 terms are minus 3, 1, 5 and 9. An easy example.